everyone, and welcome to break 1342 for the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, December 20th, 2019. It's 10:34 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:34 p.m. Central Time, and 7:34 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Mad Dog, 6 spots, Bluegrass, 4, J-Red, 7, and Justin with 13 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your teams for the break. Mad Dog on top, Justin bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Justin on top and bottom. Justin with the Diamondbacks, Mad Dog Braves, Bluegrass Orioles, J-Red Red Sox, Justin Cubs, Bluegrass White Sox, Justin Reds, Bluegrass Indians, Mad Dog Rockies, J-Red Tigers, Justin Astros, Royals Angels, Dodgers Marlins, Mad Dog Brewers, J-Red Twins and Mets, Justin Yankees Athletics Phillies, J-Red Pirates, Bluegrass Padres, Mad Dog Giants, Justin Mariners, Mad Dog Cardinals Rays, J-Red Rangers, Blue Jays, and last but not least, Justin has the Washington Nationals. And by the way, we also have a basketball and football version of the Gem Mint. So whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Good luck, everybody. And this will be of Mr. Shohei Ohtani. Gem Mint 9.5 Topps Chrome Rookie. For the Angels, the pitcher DH Shohei Ohtani Rookie. Very nice for the Angels. So let's see who has the Angels. And the Los Angeles Angels is going to Justin. Congrats, Justin, on the Shohei Ohtani Rookie Gem Mint 9.5. Congrats. He happens to be an Angels fan as well. Always good when that works out. And thank you everyone for getting in the break. We do appreciate it. And all of you watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to click that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on Instagram and Twitter and eBay, all at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And stick around for the 4th bonus break spot. And then we will have a few-minute intermission to get the 2019 Top 6 Series Active Player all set up. Thanks.